Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Goodyear Territory terrain tires, integrated brake controller, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, lane keep assist, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with lots of extra paneling, a couple of storage at the bottom, right next to the speakers. And comes up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accent handle. You're going to have the 40-20-40 bench split seat with driver adjustable lumbar here. Pretty comfortable. Left side, you're going to have your 2- and 4-wheel drive as well as your lighting controls. And to the steering wheel, pretty basic with your black emblem, and your cruise control on the left with your forward collision alert. An analog speedometer here, and everything is accessed through here. You can see your trip information as well as your fuel range, tire gauges, maintenance gauges, follow distance indicator, output, all that fun stuff. It's going to be push to start, classic column truck shifter, and onto the infotainment system equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance. Pretty standard. You have your climate controls on the bottom here, as you can see, with lane keep assist, auto stop, hill descent control, trailer brake controller on the bottom with 2 USB ports, and as well as an AC wall charger. Oh, there we go. Center console, cup holder storage up top, more storage inside. Lift up the seat. You're gonna have storage under the seats as well. Get it back down, find the tab here, which goes right back down. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable though. That chrome accent as well as the double glove box, more storage. Speakers and vents up top with some storage as well. And then here you can access your reading lamps as well as your OnStar and your SOS. So you got these blacked out 18-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear Territory tires, Z71 badging. With the blackout, obviously you're going to have the black hood, black mirror caps, and door handles as well. Coming to the back, Trail Boss badging, the black quarter step bumper with more of your black emblems, chrome dual exhaust with your trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. Of course, easy lift tailgate here with 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall charger with around 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear interior, you got paneling cup holder storage right next to the speakers, up with the chrome handle and power windows. Pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver side with rear ventilation and USB ports. Unfortunately, no cup holder armrest, just the seats go up. Lamps on top and the handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as trailer brake controller, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.